Hello, welcome to Monday, February 28th. I am trying a voiceover and I'm showing you here in the kitchen what we decided to do. This is us after Palmer has taken out all of the lower cabinets. You can see him there getting some of the gross tile up. This is a weird air duct to the left. That has to stay. This is just a view of the old floor. And here is the water heater that you can see is sinking into the corner, and a lot of not great floorboards underneath. So we are going to be dealing with that here shortly, and you will see that next. And Thursday, March 3rd, we are back here in the kitchen, and Palmer is in the corner of the kitchen fixing where the water heater was taken out, and basically having to completely reinforce that entire corner joist. The water heater had been leaking a little bit, and years of water leaking is not great for wood. So you can see here where we've put in the car jack. Actually, there are a couple of cement blocks and the car jack with some wood pieces. Palmer has that in there at that was temporary in order to get the joist up into place and be able to put the new wood piece in there, basically right alongside the old joist. So that is how that went. We're going to skip ahead a little bit to Monday, March 14th. I just didn't get a chance to film much, and there was quite a bit going on. Palmer went to get cabinets. We had to do some other things at other houses. You can see there cabinet doors that are painted. And coming in, not much is different in this room. There's me. I'm going to take you through everything because quite a bit changed. This room has been painted. It is now soulful gray. And there are some drawers there that were painted. You can see just sort of our mess. This room is also almost entirely painted soulful gray. We have not finished dealing with that wall unit yet, but it's okay, we'll work around that. So lots of gray in this middle part of the room. This middle bedroom is also painted. The closet is basically done. We just still have to move the water line for the washer and dryer from that room. In the bathroom, the floor has been leveled, and all of the old tile has been covered over. It's also been painted. I do have to do a second coat of garden flower green in there. And our kitchen has new cabinets. The flooring is also going down. You can see it's those nice, just big pieces of snapped together vinyl plank. The countertops are in. We don't have the sink hole cut yet because we were waiting for the sink to come in. And a little bit more painting has been done. This room has a completed closet. I think I'll probably paint another coat of primer on the inside just to cover it up. But it's looking really good, and that's largely about what's been done at this point. We have, of course, moved on since then. There is a complete kitchen floor and doors on the cabinetry. This area has started to be painted. It's all green now, so I think I'm just showing you around a little bit. All right, and that's it. Thank you for